there's very big differences. You might get some drugs from some companies, they are better than from the drugs from other companies.
Sitoutuminen laatuun ei ole meille eikä minulle mikään ongelma, koska se on must. Lääkkeitä ei voida tehdä usean laatuisia, vaan ne on oltava juuri sellaisia, kun ne on määritelty.
In our situation in Kenya here, drug registration has been extremely lax. We have so many medicines on the market which are counterfeits. We have so many medicines on the market which are not good quality because the checking for quality by the government is not being done properly. So European companies on which the Universal Corporation is setting its standards control their own quality of products and obey the ethical standards internationally which are recognized.
WHO pre-qualification is going to open a lot of doors for the company, and once you are WHO pre-qualified, the geographical limit is not, there is no limit geographically. Provided you have the pre-qualification and there are funded projects from Global Fund or such organizations, it is going to open a lot of international doors for us. Five years from now, we should be definitely a global supplier of affordable pharmaceuticals within the fraternity or medical fraternity.
Finnfundin mukaantulo on ollut avainasemassa ja ilman heitä niin meistä ei olisi kehittynyt tällaista yritystä, mikä me nyt olemme.
We stock like diclofenac known as NAC, which is potassium based, it works faster and also it's a bit cheap. Yeah, the price is very important to them. We give them something like Cataflam, which is compared to the diclofenac is a bit expensive. A pill goes for 40 shillings, where this goes for 10 shillings, so it's affordable.
Henkilökohtaisesti suuri ilonaihe on ollut se, miten jatkuvasti mennään eteenpäin, jatkuvasti parannetaan tuotannon ohjausta, toimintaa, laatua, volyymia, markkinointia. Koko ajan parannetaan. Tämmöisessä projektissa on kiva olla mukana.